Hey y'all, this is Luca with the DeSoto Public Library. I'm Miss Janelle and Otis's assistant, and this is Home Crafts. All right, let's get started on today's craft. So today's craft is chalk prints. And these are actually really easy to do, so parents, this is something you can do with your kids. You're actually gonna have to do this with your kids, trust me. And so let's go over the materials that we need. So first, you're gonna need some chalk, just any color chalk, hopefully something brighter than this. You're gonna need a white sheet of paper and a black sheet of construction paper. You're going to need some scissors, kid scissors, preferably for the kids. Grown-ups, if you're helping your kids, you can use the big people scissors. Oh, and if you have it, a cheese grater. If not, that's fine. Okay, so as you can see, we have like our chalk already like shredded and into dust, and it's actually really easy to do. So the one way you can do it is with the kid scissors and just kind of like scrape it in the cup. Part of it just broke off and fell in there. When that happens, you're gonna want to take it out. You can do it like that, or the really fast way is with a cheese grater and just go like that. It should fall in there. Some of it might fall off on the table, that's fine. Just scrape it in the cup. Now that step is actually gonna take a really long time. And I mean like really long time, so kids, sorry, but you gotta be patient. Parents, sorry if your kids abandon it halfway through to go watch TV or something and leave this to you. All right, after you get all your chalk all shredded and dusted, you're gonna get a tub. Anything can be like aluminum foil pan. You want to fill it with like at least 2 centimeters of water. So we're gonna get this water pitcher and just drop it in here. And yeah, that should be good. Well, just a little bit more. All right, and that's good. And then we're gonna grab our chalk. So let's put in some of the purple and the weird orange, and just dust it on there. Put some purple on, and a little bit of green. Why not? Just to make it a little bit more bright. Now be quick about this, because after a while the chalk will absorb too much water and fall down. So we're gonna start with the white paper real quick and gently lay it on there. And then afterwards, just push it in a little bit. Don't want to get too hard. Push it in there. After a little bit, just want to pull it out, and voila, chalk print. Now let's try it on the black paper. Oh, and put this to the side to dry out. If you have some napkins, lay on top of napkins. If not, just let whatever's underneath get wet. And here we're gonna add the yellow and some of the green. And now I'll start with the black paper, just like the white paper, lay it in there, just lay it flat on there. You can push in with your fingertips to absorb the chalk dust more. And after a while, just pick it up and, oh, look at that. Looks great, doesn't it? Yellow and green, same colors as the DeSoto Eagles. And yeah, you can even see some of the purple and orange on there. It really looks nice, like a night sky, like a green and yellow night sky for some reason. All right, let's lay it to the side, and yeah, that's it. This is our 2 chalk prints. You now have chalk prints. If you want it to dry faster, hang it in like a window or out in the sun. That's it really. I hope y'all enjoy. I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.